Welcome to Yoga Life with Amelia. Do you want to make homemade cleaners with simple ingredients? Not only will natural cleaners make your life better, but they are surprisingly inexpensive and easy to make. Natural cleaning products are getting more popular than ever. Many have found they are safer than most commercial products and less toxic to the environment. Products with less commercial chemicals may be better for those with allergies or sensitivities and make for a better indoor air quality. Most natural homemade cleaners make use of simple ingredients like baking soda. A sprinkle of baking soda helps neutralize odors, and diluted with a little bit of water makes for an effective scrub that can help remove dirt and grime. Baking soda is a household staple that extends beyond cooking and baking. And when you need a fast wash for clothes, try a do-it-yourself detergent. Many combine baking soda and essential oils, which are gentle on fabrics but can get rid of dirt and smell. When cleaning your carpet with baking soda, let it sit for a few minutes or longer. It will help absorb odor and dirt before you vacuum for a thorough clean. Another popular cleaner makes use of orange peels. Orange oil cleaner is easy to make. Place orange peels in a glass bottle. Fill the bottle with distilled vinegar and let it sit for a few weeks before using it in your countertops or appliances. Just avoid using it on wood or granite surfaces because vinegar is acidic. Vinegar is known for its acidic quality that helps cut through many greasy residues on dishes. So check out many recipes that call for vinegar to cut out grease in dishwashing. Add scents to your natural cleaners. A popular one is lemon oil. It is one of the most recognizable and popular scent. As a household cleaner, lemon oil acts as a natural disinfectant and is known to eliminate mold and help achieve a streak-free shine. Many like the scent of lavender oil. It is added in cleaners and it's known to help release tension and for its calming properties. Find out more information about natural and green cleaning products online. You will find many do-it-yourself recipes that can be safer than traditional or commercial cleaners, and you will find it may be safer for everyday use. Take time and test out some simple recipes that will have you cleaning green in no time. I hope you enjoyed this video on cleaning green and check out my previous videos for more health and wellness tips.